Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download a Cookie Run Kingdom modded version with unlimited resources for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. Overnight, you're going to become the richest Cookie Run Kingdom player. So it's pretty easy. Just go to zoomods.com, I believe. And once you're on this site, you're going to see like a lot of modded apps. So just type in Cookie Run Kingdom, press on it, and it's going to start downloading the mod. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I've been looking for a Cookie Run Kingdom mod for quite a while, but most of them don't work. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to let it do its thing. So yeah, that's how to get the Cookie Run Kingdom hack. So before it downloads, you are going to have to do a verification, which means downloading some apps and completing the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the official App Store. So there's going to be around 4 of them. You can see Family Island says reach level 15. This is the one I would do. You just press tap to install. I'm on an Android, so it brought me to the Play Store, but if you're using an iPhone, it'll bring you to the App Store. And then there's some other ones, we got like Rewarded Play. Just do whatever you can do. I'm in the US. If you're in another country, you may have different apps altogether, which is also totally fine. But that's how to get the Cookie Run Kingdom hack. Pretty cool stuff. As you can see, I'm super rich, and it fully works on iOS and Android. So be sure to try it out, guys. I've been looking for a Cookie Run Kingdom hack for quite a while, and most of them do not work. So this one is pretty epic, and yeah, I haven't had any issues with it at all. So just do the verification. There's going to be a bunch of apps on this page, so hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, try it out for yourself. This is super easy. So yeah, just do it. And if you're really confused, they have like an AI you can talk to, which is pretty epic. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go and subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.